Assalamualaikum. It's Isa and Haram again. Today we're going to make a dessert named labishiri or rainbow fruit dessert. There are many ways that people make this dessert, and I'm gonna make it in my home style. We need full cream, sugar, jellies. I picked cherry and mango, boiled vermicellis, nuts, banana, apple, pineapple, cake, and a bowl to assemble. It's assembling time! So we're going to start with the cake and by putting it on the bottom and the sides of the bowl. I have poured in some cream, and I have poured some sugar as well, and I'm gonna mix it until the sugar is dissolved. And I'm going to put in the vermicellis. And the fruits. Pineapple. And now the banana. And now the apple. Now we're going to mix it. And now I'm going to pour the mixture in the bowl. Level the surface and sprinkle some nuts. Finally, we're going to put the jelly on top. It's done! I really like the part when we put the jelly on top. My favorite jelly is mango, and Isa's favorite jelly is cherry. It looks really beautiful from the sides. I would put this in the fridge and serve it cold. This is our homemade recipe of labishiri. You guys can also try this at home. You would love it. Isa, where are you? Oh, that's okay. Bye.